Ever saved a reel as a draft and couldn't find it later? Maybe you want to edit it, post it, or delete it entirely. Instagram keeps your unfinished reels tucked away, but it's easy to access once you know how. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find and manage your draft reels in seconds. Hey everyone, welcome back to Preyo Phonie, your go-to channel for clear expert social media tutorials. Today, I'll walk you step by step through finding, editing, and managing your Instagram draft reels. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Instagram app. Tap the plus icon at the top of your screen. This is where you create new posts, stories, and reels. From here, we'll access your saved drafts next. Step 2. From the menu that appears, select Reel. This will open the Reels editor screen where all your video drafts are stored. Make sure you're in the Reels section and not Posts or Story. This ensures you're accessing the correct draft folder. Step 3. At the top of the Reels editor, tap Drafts. Here you'll see all your saved draft reels with a thumbnail preview. Each draft is labeled with the date, time, video length, and file size. This makes it easy to quickly identify which reel you want to continue editing or post. If this tutorial is helping you, hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more simple, expert tech tutorials. I post updated Instagram tips every week, so turn on notifications and never miss a new feature. Step 4. Tap on a draft to open it. You can continue editing your video or proceed to post it immediately. If you just want to make small changes, you can save it back to drafts after editing. This keeps your workflow flexible and organized. Step 5. If you want to remove a draft, tap the 3 dots next to it. Select Delete from the pop-up menu. Then confirm by tapping Delete again at the bottom. This permanently removes the draft from your account. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to find, edit, and manage your Instagram draft reels. Small features like this make creating content easier and more organized. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below and let me know what Instagram tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching Preyo Phonie, where tech is simple, smart, and made for everyone. I'll see you in the next one.